Videos with optimized thumbnails get 30% more views on average. AI-generated thumbnails can be created in 2 minutes and consistently outperform manual designs. High CTR thumbnails follow patterns, faces with emotion, contrast colors, minimal text, and curiosity gaps. AI tools can apply these principles automatically. Generate stunning background scenes and compositions with Midjourney. I'll share my exact prompts that produce thumbnail-ready images in 1 generation. Combine your AI backgrounds with face cutouts, text overlays, and contrast adjustments in Canva or Photopea. The entire process takes under 3 minutes per thumbnail. Creating 5 different thumbnail styles from scratch using AI. Reaction, comparison, tutorial, listicle, and story time, with CTR data showing which styles perform best. Grab my AI thumbnail prompt pack in the description. Subscribe for weekly YouTube growth tips powered by AI.